Wagwan people, welcome to another Moments by Boothe vlog. I'm Akeem Boothe, Moments by Boothe on all social media platforms. And today we're heading out to Dacosta Farms for Tony Moy's birthday. Yeah man, so we're still on the road heading to Dacosta Farms. If you've ever been paintballing before, drop a like on this video. If you want to go paintballing and you never have, drop a like on this video. If you think you're going to enjoy this video, drop a like on this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more great content like this. I'll check in back with you guys when we get to Dacosta Farms. Birthday girl, she did. Oh dear. That's fine. What? Watch out. I must say about 6 man, I see a bus going off for me. I say, brother, I say, I shoot up, Joby, then I shoot up here and I look up. I say, every whole of your team. Club. First you get shot. Alright, good. You get shot.
Yeah, man, you don't know. Scars at the battlefield.
Alright, come on and start the war now. I'm shooting. Yo! Come on,